Hold on now. Oh! Oh God! There's a fire on it! On God! On God, Chad! On God, I need to remove that shit! Yo, look. Look, Chad. There's a fire going there. How do I activate this shit? Should I cut it? Wow. Which wire I'm cutting now? There's only one wire. I don't got. There's only one. Should I cut this? Oh. Oh, I just deactivate. Oh, wait. Oh, it's a fire! Fire! Yo, hold on, it's fire. What should I do?
Oh.
Activated it. What the fuck? Why that shit blow up? Yo, how that shit blow up?
What the fuck is going on?
Nah, you know the shit I put in my room?
Yeah.
The guy shit, I tried to take it out, and it just stopped blowing up.
What's that punch?
Yeah.